let's read and spell the words. A driver. Driver. D-R-I-V-E-R. Driver. Fire. Fire. F-I-R-E. Fire. A fireman. Fireman. F-I-R-E-M-A-N. Fireman. A policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N. Policeman. It is the school play next week. The children are trying on their costumes. Mike is a policeman. He has a hat and a uniform. Kelly is a driver. She has a picture of a bus. Look at me! I drive a bus, she says. I am a policeman. You are a driver, says Mike. Anne is wearing a red and orange dress. I am fire, she says. Just then, Henry runs in with some blue paper strips in his hands. He has a hat and a uniform too. He throws the paper strips at Anne. Ah! What are you doing, Henry? Asks Miss Wong. I am a fireman. I want to put out the fire.